Today, I'll show you how to enable sensitive content on Telegram. Sensitive content settings on Telegram can affect whether certain channels, groups, or media are visible in your account. If Telegram is blocking some content, you may need to change the sensitive content filter from the Telegram desktop app or web version. First, open Telegram on your computer. You can use Telegram Desktop or open Telegram Web in your browser. Now log in to your Telegram account. Once you are inside, click the menu icon in the top left corner. Go to Settings. Next, open Privacy and Security. Scroll down until you find the section related to sensitive content. If the option is available for your account, you should see a setting called Disable Filtering. Turn on Disable Filtering. This tells Telegram not to filter sensitive content where it is allowed. After enabling the setting, close Telegram and open it again. Now check the channel, group, or content that was previously blocked. If the content is still not visible, make sure you are using Telegram Desktop or Telegram Web because this option may not appear in some mobile app versions. Also keep in mind that availability can depend on your country, App Store rules, account settings, and Telegram's own restrictions. If you still do not see the option, update Telegram to the latest version and check again from the desktop app. And that's it. You now know how to enable sensitive content on Telegram. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.